How can you make a perfect dough sheet, like the one you buy from the grocery store? It comes in a box and has a perfect rectangular shape. You see here the old-fashioned way of rolling out the dough. In the end you have to trim the ends, and you get a few scraps. But isn't it a better way of doing it? Actually, there is a better and easier way that I'm using when I make rolled cookies. It involves the use of plastic bags. There are advantages in using a bag for making the dough sheet. First, it really comes out perfect rectangle with 90 degrees corners. Second, it's very easy to maintain a consistent thickness. The third and most important is that you can make 2 or more equal-sized dough sheets of different colors. I like to make pinwheel cookies and use this method to make 2 dough sheets of identical size but different color. I'm using a sealable bag here because it's sturdy. It is better if you cut the part that locks because it leaves an indentation in the dough. The bag with the dough must be refrigerated for approximately 1 hour before removing the dough from the bag. As I said, you can easily make dough sheets of the same size but different color. You can use it to make cookie logs, also called slice and bake cookies. Or you can make checkerboard pattern cookies. When you want to remove the dough from the bag, you simply cut the edges left and right of the bag opening. This allows you to remove the bag that becomes just a plastic sheet. By the way, you can reuse it to wrap the cookie log. And here it is, the perfect cookie sheet, with no leftovers. As I said, it comes in handy when you want to make pinwheel cookies. So easy. Look how perfectly even is my cookie log. I'm going to show how you can coat the cookie log in chopped nuts, and after refrigeration overnight how easy it is to cut the cookies. You don't have to cut the ends, even the first and last cookie are nice. I use them as test cookies. Slicing the cookie log is the fun part. They turn out so pretty and are tasty too. The recipe for the cookies is linked at the end of the video. Enjoy!